Since our inception 16 years ago, the Sliding Door Company has been a leader of interior glass walls and door solutions, always finding new and creative ways to define space for thousands of clients across North America. Nowadays, companies are looking to get back to their offices, keeping their employees safe, healthy, and productive while keeping their cost optimal using products that are flexible and adaptable to changing circumstances. For this purpose, we have created Qubiglass, our innovative solution for a healthy and fruitful work environment. Qubiglass allows our clients to share their existing lighting, heating, air conditioning, and sprinkler systems in place without incurring expensive renovations, and typically no building permits are needed. With Qubiglass, our clients can create fully or partially enclosed workspaces that keep their employees shielded in elegant and functional glass doors, walls, or pass-through windows that allow maximum natural light exposure while maintaining a very private setup. The doors can be locked when needed or opened up to enlarge the space. Prevent distractions and provide an increased sense of security. The enclosed space helps keep germs from spreading and keeps employees less exposed to work-related stressors, allowing them to work effectively and produce quality results. This is Qubiglass. Stay safe with the Sliding Door Company.